bonding between you and your parents? First, patience. Second, respect. Third, kindness. The first point, patience. We should be very patient while answering the questions of our parents. They might ask same question again and again and again. We should not get irritated. Remember, once we were kids, they might have answered the same question and again. Why we can't give them same favor? I can share you a heart-touching story. An 80-year-old man sitting on a sofa in his house with a 45-year-old highly educated son. Suddenly a cow perched on the window. Father asked, "What is this?" Son replied, "It is a crow." After some time, father again asked, "What is this?" Son replied, "It is a crow." After some time, father asked third time, "What is this?" This time, son became a bit irritated. He told, "It is a crow. I told you already." After some while, father again asked the same question. "What is this?" This time son got totally irritated. He told, "I have already replied with the same question. You are asking again and again. Why you are asking again and again? It is a crow. You are not able to understand. Just shut up." After some time, father opened a diary, whatever he had written 40 years back. He saw he had replied him 23 times for the same question. What our parents teach when we are kids, they teach us how to speak, and we are teaching them keep silent. Second point, respect. We take our parent granted. We forget what are the sacrifices they have made to make us smart, effective and efficient. We generally think that, oh, these are my days, I can do anything. But think what they have did for you when you were a kid. They have given you every happiness, what you want, by sacrificing their own happiness. Respect is the foundation of love. This is the best way to show respect to your parent, and you can make this bond more effective and efficient. I can tell you 4 tips how to make respectful to your parents. First, order their commands. Second, if you have argued with them unnecessarily, please apologize. Third, talk with them with humble, gentle and politeness. And last, please, we should not dishonest, disrespect and contempt them. And the last point, we should be kindness. Unfortunately, the man-made laws in the name of independence and in the form of your individual right in this so-called civilized country, they give a lot of chance to go their children against their parent. We should be very kindness towards our parents. I can tell you 2 points to be kindness towards your parents. First, we should not give a simple gesture towards our parents, no matter whether they are right or wrong. Second, whenever they teach you a lesson, please listen with cool, calm and composed. Nowadays, a special home are made for our old age parents because their children are so busy chasing the money. think when we were kids, they did not left you, they did not left you, then why you are letting them when they are old? Why you are giving them, putting in the old age places? Think very seriously. Please respond to your parent with love. You will get the things changing, the bond being getting stronger and stronger, and you can see the final result. In conclusion, I can say, treat your parent with respect, kindness and patience. You will come to know their value when you will see the empty chair. What do you do?
I think that was an absolutely delightful speech, and it kind of, as I listened to him, it made me realize that we're all going to grow old sometimes, and I think it's about time that our city and our relations become more senior citizen friendly. Now, after that thought-provoking speech, we have another Toastmaster awaiting us. He will be presenting his CC6. He is a microbiologist, part of the marketing team of Haemonetics. And his idea of success would be to become a better communicator and for the purpose of advertising, and hence he has joined the Toastmasters. His evaluator would be Toastmaster Godfrey. I request you to kindly read the guidelines for CC6. We always speak of CC4.
Good evening, Toastmasters. The objective for this project 6 is use voice, volume, pitch, rate and quality to reflect and add meaning and interest to your message. Use pauses to enhance your message. Use vocal variety smoothly and naturally. Time manager, please note 5 to 7 minutes.